Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to discuss about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more such content for you, and definitely the channel will be helpful for you to stay updated for all the opportunities and placement related stuff. So do subscribe our channel and make sure to join our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from Wipro. So this is the turbo hiring. So you can see turbo hiring is our premier hiring where individuals will involve themselves into an end-to-end program lifecycle development, architecture, people and project management. Get an opportunity to learn from the best in the industry and ideate to deliver the next generation. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so they have mentioned 60% in 10th and 12th standard, 6.0 CGPA or 60% in graduation. Maximum of one active backlog is allowed till the interview stage. Branches eligible are CS, IT, Circuital, MEC, Allied, Integrated. Year of passing 2022 is eligible. 3 years of gap is allowed in education, 10th to graduation. No gap is allowed in graduation period. Graduation should be completed within 4 years. Qualification, so you should be having BE, BTech compulsory degree as well as 5-year integrated course is also allowed. Maximum is 25 is allowed, right? Okay guys, I'm not sure whether specific colleges are eligible or it's for everyone. Okay, because before this I put a hiring opportunity. So see, my target is not to just target only tier 3 college or a specific college. I do put opportunities for everyone, no matter from which college you are. So if your college is eligible for this opportunity, then definitely you will be having your college name there, right? Also try for option if there is an other option in case your college is not there, and even if other option is not there, then perhaps your college is not eligible. So give it a try, check for it. Coming to the evaluation process, so here you can see the first process is, so first you have to do the registration for this opportunity, then there will be assessment, then business discussion, then letter of intent, and then offer letter will be provided to you, right? So this is how they have mentioned. Well, compensation per annum, so they have specified INR 5.5 lakh plus 1 lakh retention bonus paid after 1 year completion and merged to CTC after 1 year. The designation is going to be project engineer. Career band will be B1. There is no service agreement for this opportunity. So if you're interested for the same and eligible as well, so make sure to apply for this opportunity. Right, let's talk about our next opportunity now. So here's our next opportunity from Acolyte off-campus drive for 2022 batch. So you can see Acolyte digital off-campus virtual recruitment drive, it is for 2022 batch. Application deadline is 3rd of January 2022. So make sure to apply before the given deadline. Information request, so make sure that you are providing all the data accurately. I always mention that before submitting the form, make sure to check all your details so that there's no error from your side. Hiring model, so 6-month internship will be there, that will be started from Feb 2022 followed by full-time opportunity. Year of passing 2022 is eligible. You need 60% or 6 CGPA throughout in academics. Date of joining is going to be Jan 2022 and Feb 2022. Job location is Mumbai. Coming to the selection process, so overall hiring process will include the below. First of all, Acolyte qualifier test consisting of MCQs plus coding round, and then there will be 2 technical rounds plus HR round, and then step 3 is offer rollout. Coming to the courses and discipline, students from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from any specialization. So that's a very good thing that they haven't provided any specific branch here. You can be from any branch and you can apply for this opportunity. Salary will be best in industry, so they haven't disclosed it as of now. Technical skills, so strong technical knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, excellent knowledge of SQL, good knowledge of regular expression, strong DS, Algo and OOPS concepts, knowledge of any programming language. Job description is, as a software developer, you will be the brain behind crafting, developing, testing, going live, and maintaining the system. You are passionate in understanding the business context for features built to drive better customer experience and adoption. Responsibilities, so familiar with the software development life cycle from analysis to deployment, comply with coding standard and technical design, believe in systematic approach to developing the system through clear documentation, of functionality, address every use cases through creative solution, adapts structure coding style for easy review, testing and maintainability of the code, integrate the developed functionality. So many points are there. You can just go through them. So they have provided a quick description regarding the company as well. You can just go through it to get a proper understanding regarding the company, right? So this is the form they have provided. Here you have to provide your information. Make sure that all your information should be correct and accurate. So yeah, let's talk about our next opportunity. So here's our next opportunity, right? So the company is hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee. Salary will be ranging from 5.5 LPA to 7.5 LPA. Date of joining will be 18th of Jan 2022. Experience range 0 to 1 year. So if you're from 2020 or 2021 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Coming to the job description. So you need good analytical and problem solving skill, good communication skill, and must be a good team player. Technical exposure on .NET, Core Java, and J2EE Oracle SQL Server. Technical exposure on embedded C and embedded C++ with RTOS environment. Technical exposure on IT and cloud operation, customer experience as well. He/she will be part of firmware design and testing teams for implementation and debugging for complex issues. You'll be getting the opportunity to work on cutting edge technology. You'll be responsible for programming to deliver high quality software application, ensure regular maintenance of application server and database, end-to-end testing on embedded and software application side. Job requirements are technical exposure in Python, GCP, and cloud technology. Engineering graduate from BTech, BE, CS, IT, EC, EEE, and MSc Computer Science, MCA from Tier 1 and Tier 2 colleges. We are looking for 2020 and 2021 pass out, immediately available. So this is the immediate hiring. Immediate joining, basically immediate joiner they are looking for. Aggregate percentage you need above 60% in HSC and SSC. You can be placed in any domain or role based on the competencies and skill fitment during the interview process, right? So this is an amazing opportunity for you guys. So these were some of the opportunities for you. Hope you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, to subscribe our channel, and all the job updates, all the links for these job opportunities are provided in the description, so you can just check them there and make sure to apply for all of them. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel, and please share this video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about this opportunity. Thank you.